Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Stationery and office supplies is to expand into manufacturing next month. The company said it recently acquired $60 million worth of equipment to manufacture various types of writing books as well as the brand name Seek. The company said this is only an entry into manufacturing and indicated it plans to produce other stationery products in the future. 25 persons are being employed to work in its manufacturing department, with work to start in the first week of May. Mining Minister Robert Montague says proactive steps are being taken to limit the fallout U.S. sanctions on UC Rosal could have on the operations of Windalco alumina plant in St. Catherine. UC Rosal, which owns Windalco, faces sanctions which the U.S. imposed, saying it profits from a Russian state engaged in malign activities across the world. The mining minister says a series of consultations are now taking place, including with UC Rosal, to find a solution. The fallout is expected to affect the 1,200 people who work at Windalco, but the IMF says the impact on the broader economy will be limited. Consumer prices fell for a second straight month in March. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica says prices fell by an average 0.1%. The main contributor to the fall was a dip in the cost of agricultural produce, particularly vegetables and starchy foods. Lower transport costs due to a fall in the price of fuel also contributed. The dip in the consumer prices in March means that since the start of the year, inflation is recorded at negative 0.2%. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $125.04. The Canadian dollar is selling for $102.46. The pound sterling costs $178.03, while the euro is going for $154.88. Stocks ended mostly higher today, pushing the JC index up more than 131 points, while the junior market index lost 1 point. Stocks posting gains included 1834 Investments, Carib Cement, Phosrich, Jamaica Brawlers, JMMB Group, Main Event Entertainment, Portland JSX, Scotia Group, and Wisynco Group. On the losing end were Cargo Handlers, Elite Diagnostics, Lasco Financial, Seprod, and VM Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Good evening.